Hello, Baba and Toti ko. Nood tayo ng TV. Hello, Pogi. Pasok na ako. Antok pa yung binata ko. Nood muna kaming TV. Movie marathon. What? Nood siya TV. Papasok na yan mamaya eh. Pinocchio.
You were so alive based on something you read in a children's book?
Chop chop. Nood TV, binatag. Bye! Order na kayo ng personal collection, sunscreen protection, pwede sa mukha guys. O diba?